Hi, I'm Rick Spinelli. I'm a member of the English department here at Monroe Catholic High School, and this is Teacher Features. So the technology tool that I'm going to be using and showing today is iWeb. Essentially, iWeb is an application that is on every Mac, but I think is underutilized, and so it's an application where you can use a website, create your own website, create a blog, share pictures, share videos. So there's a number of different tools that you can use it with. I personally use it for two main tasks. One is through classroom management and web pages, and number two would be using it for blogs and students to create blogs and respond on blogs. iWeb is on every single Mac. It's actually down the bottom, well, wherever you have your toolbar. Kind of looks like a little bulletin board, and it'll say iWeb. It will then give you a bunch of different templates that you can actually choose that are done for you in order to create the type of page that you want to create. And like I said, I usually use the welcome page to create my course information guide pages and my class web pages. And there's also a blog template that will actually walk you through every step to creating a blog for the students to actually respond to and use on the web page. But if you look as well, there's tabs there for you to actually upload and create movies. There's a tab for you to create and upload photos, even podcasts. It will take you through all of that. And it's simple step by step. And although it gives you the choices of templates down on the left, and you can see all the different templates, you still have control of the pictures that go in there, the type of text, the color of the text, etc. And if you don't like something in the templates, you can always delete that and come up with something on your own. Alright, so the very first page that I created using the welcome kind of template that is provided in iWeb was a white background, and I used this to create my course info guide. The course info guide is the handouts that every teacher is required to give to its students on the first day. And so if you look through this, you'll see my email address, the online hours, the books we're going to use. Essentially, all the information about the course is on this. There is a spot down the bottom for parents and students to sign because I did have them print this. So this is actually able to be printed, and it comes out with the pictures up the top. If you notice up the top, you'll also find links to each of the other sites. Each one of these represents a unit that we have completed in English 10. So if you look, we've done the summer reading, which was a Northern Light. It uses a different format or a different template because I picked a different one. The pictures, again, you can just copy and paste from where you find them, but this is what they read for their summer reading over the summertime. If you look down, there's links to their syllabus. If you click on their syllabus, you'll see the Word doc pop up. That will open up their syllabus. And there's a bunch of different handouts over here as well. The grammar topics, again, links. These will link to web pages where they can actually create and take online quizzes. So you don't have to just link to web page or to documents. You can also link to other web pages. Let's go to Bean Trees. And down the bottom of the Bean Trees page, first I put in all the text. They can click this link for the syllabus. Once they click the link, a download button will come, and that will open up a Microsoft Word document to their syllabus, the reading log instructions, as well as a Word document, so they can click and link over to there. They had a project to do with this, and all the rubrics and all the project ideas and all the samples are also put here. Again, you click the link, and it will pop up. So it's a really good classroom management tool for the students to be able to access all the information that they need for your class. So again, here's the Shakespeare page that we are actually working on now, so you won't see any links because I haven't created them yet. But there's the pictures, there's the text, welcoming them to the actual page, and then there will be links down here to the blog site, to their web page, to their syllabus, and any other things that we need to link them to. And then the last thing that I use this for is blogging. And so if you take a look here, we've created the English 10 Period 6 Sonnet blog. This is their welcome page where it tells them what we're going to be doing in the unit. Scrolling down the bottom is an actual sonnet that they will have to read. If we click the Read More button, it will take them to this page where the sonnet is. There's no comment button here yet because I haven't published it, but once it is published, the comment buttons will appear, and the students can go ahead and start talking about this sonnet and start logging in and putting their comments in, and it will build a list and keep that list, and the students keep coming back and forth and logging in to respond to others, and it's just like a blog. We usually put one of these new sonnets up every day, so the students have a new thing to blog about. But again, it gives you the opportunity to put the pictures in, to put the text. You can choose whatever format and whatever template that you want. So the creativity is completely up to you. But the blogging also helps the students, especially the shyer students who may not want to respond in class. This is a great opportunity for them to put their ideas without actually having to speak so much in class in case they're scared of what they're saying is wrong. This kind of gives them more of an opportunity to participate in class. So, by now you're probably wondering, well, how do we access, or where do we access this from? And iWeb and the links are easily accessed through PowerSchool. Once you log in, or the parent logs in, or the student logs into PowerSchool, and they click on the grade for the class, and I'll show you here, there's a little link that comes up that says class webpage, and that is their main access to the class page, and it brings them right to the course info page, and once again, all the links are up the top. Parent and student both have the access to this. If they do not bookmark it up the top, it's easily, again, accessed through PowerSchool, and it's always there, so it's easily used by both parent and student. And I know parents enjoy being able to view what's going on, and I think this makes it easier for them to access the page and find out what's happening in the class.